Today I will be explaining to you how to add two-digit numbers. What do I call it? Two-digit number. Unlike a single-digit number, like a number that has just one digit, like 1, just only has one digit, 2 to 9. Two-digit number has two digits, like 24 has 2 and 4. 37 has 3 and 7. That's two digits. That's why we call them two-digit number. How do we then add two-digit number? Do we have to count? Let's see. Let's say we want to add 30 plus 12. Now, like I've taught you in the previous lessons, the first thing we do is to what? Do what? Count the first number. So I will give you some time. Count 30. Are you almost done? No. Keep counting, please. Are you done? I guess not. You see, counting two-digit number, which are usually large, waste our time, our paper, and in most cases we make mistakes counting. Just imagine you have to count 78 plus 52. Oh, imagine counting 78. How long will it take you to count 78, then count 72, and now count them together? That is why we don't count large numbers to add. How do we then add two-digit number? This is a house with two rooms, the tens room and the unit room. There is a rule in this house. Only one digit can stay in a room at a time. That means we cannot write, let's say 21 in the unit house. No! Neither can we write 21 in the tens house. No! Only one digit at a time. How do we then write numbers? We write 21 is 2 tens and 1 unit. 36 will be 3 tens and 6 units. So you get the logic now. Only one digit in a room at a time. Examples. Let's say we want to add 30 plus 12. Firstly, we write tens, then unit. We write the numbers in under each place value, which we call the rooms. So 30 is 3 tens and 0 units. 12 is 1 10 and 2 units. So we go ahead to add the numbers 30 plus 12. So also to add 17 plus 21, we write tens and units. 17 is 110, 7 units. 21, 210 and 1 unit. We'll go ahead, we'll write our plus sign so that we can add. Now that you know how to group, I'll teach you how to add the numbers in the next lesson. Bye-bye!